cane, watch this. I'll show you how to live with bliss. No sight, no fear, just the rush I miss. Hold my cane, watch this.
You guys ever rode before?
I haven't.
Me neither. Are you nervous?
A little.
Yeah, just go ahead and say it, yes.
Yeah.
First time ever.
Alright, here we go.
This little strap beside me.
You know what?
Oh.
You hold that strap there.
I have a feeling nothing's gonna work. That's so weird! Whoa, that's loud! There's literally...
Almost ejector coming out.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
I'll try my best to balance stuff out. I don't know if I'll be able to do it all.
Don't worry about it. There's literally nowhere to hold on to. Oh my word.
Oh my God.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord. I was not stapled, holy cow. Oh my lord. What was that?